Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I want to talk about this plan I posted July the 5th, the Google L plan. This is what a lot of these little day trader, little scalpers wish they could do, is be able to, I've been able to make 3 videos on Google L because it's maintained its gains, and today above 100% gains. Let's take a look together. Let me show you everything. Let's go into the video here. All right, so as you can see, right over down here, the 1,150 options, they cost $970, as at the time Google L was 1,116.28, right? Of course, that's not confirmation, right? As you can see here, I said Google above 1,134.50 is a buy from here. Well, you know what, today we know how Google L did hit $1,170. Let's go take a look at the confirmation. But this is again documentation. This is July the 10th documentation of big picture thinking. Not little scalper thinking, not little baby thinking, big picture thinking. Let's go take a look, people, together here. So we're going to go to Google L, July the 5th. Google L confirming with the July 20th, 1,150 calls at 14.50. Okay. Now you saw that's what we had to pay for confirmation. They were $970, but by the time they confirmed, they cost $1,450. So now let's go take a look at how they doubled. I'm going to show you now. Right now, let's go take a look. I filmed this, right? They actually doubled today, greater than 100% gains. All right, just want to film here the Google L July 20, the 1,150 calls, greater than 100% gains over here. You can see them, 3,000. Well, we can see 3,090. Easy 100%, greater than 100% gains in large priced options. And as you can see, since we confirmed, all this has been doing is going up. You understand, Stock Clown? And here is just to show you how easy with your eyes closed to take it profits. Okay, just to show you, 10:53 a.m. July the 10th. You understand, Stock Clown? No skills. No skills, Stock Clown. Again, people, if you want to join the Big Picture Expert, well, this is what I do. I document this. I show you the power. Open your eyes. Let's go back to the video, people. Let's go back. All right, people, welcome to Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. Listen, if you want to get yourself inside of PowerGroupTrades, basically what you want to do is you come here to Power Trigger Trade over here. You read this pinned tweet. It explains what to do. Next step, of course, it tells you to go to the YouTube channel. You go to the YouTube channel like this. You're going to get this welcome screen. Right? This is the banner anyways, customization here. This is what I see when I'm in here. Basically what you do is you want to study my created playlist, right? But if you want to fast track yourself in, you go to my live streams, okay? And if you look in my video section over here, give me a second here. So I open up my video section. What you can see is the last live stream. You go to the June 27th live stream, and you listen because I explain how to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades, and basically that's about it. I suggest subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's go to my website here. I want to show you something. We'll go to my website. My new website here, Power Target Trades Confirmation is Key. Witness the power. You saw how that came in. Basically, this is a great video here. This Google L video, May the 10th. 600% gains. I make a lot of great gains. Now, the reason why these were 600% gains is the options cost $500. I think they were $500 to $550. And they hit 4.4K. Okay, so great, huge gains. You should see the story, you see the plan, everything, just like you're seeing right now. It's inside over here. And I also received a $1,000 gift from one of my members because they were so happy of the gains they received. Do you understand, people? This is out of free will. A $1,000 gift out of free will because of the gains, because of the trust they have in my plans. Get yourself the Power Group Trades, people. And again, come to my YouTube channel, my website, and I have some great videos for you to see. Okay, check out my blog. The blog here will have the videos, some nice videos to see, same ones. Actually, you know what? And then I think we got to go to this one for the Apple one, right? Yeah, this is the February app one. Yeah, these are just some great documented stories. You have to see. You have to see the videos. They're very. And then here's my contact over here. Isn't that nice? Oh, isn't that nice, people? You know, unlike the stock clown, what a terrible, ugly website he has. This is nice looking, people. Anyways, listen up, people. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Subscribe here manually. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. I'm going to talk to you one-on-one. Again, people, don't forget to study my creative playlist. A lot of wealth of information is on this channel. Let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on PowerGroupTrades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video!